Nug life, South Africa. Like the albatross, I flew over the waves of the Atlantic, traversed the savannah with the buffalo and hartebeest, whispered into the ears of the elephants, and heard the gut-wrenching roar of the mighty lion. But by the time I made it to Cape Point, at the southernmost tip of the African continent, my bowels were only shaking with hunger for Kentucky Fried Chicken and a sack full of popcorn nuggets. Longitude, 34.4 degrees south. Latitude, 18.5 degrees east. Attitude, gratitude that even at the ends of the earth, you're never too far from KFC.